pay back. To return money that you borrowed. I will pay back the money tomorrow. She paid back her sister last week. Hurry along. To move or do something faster. Hurry along or we will miss the bus. Please hurry along. The movie is starting. Put up with. To tolerate or accept something annoying or unpleasant. He put up with the loud noise next door. She puts up with long lines at the store. Look back. To think about or remember the past. We look back on happy memories. She likes to look back at old pictures. Heat up. To become hot or make something hot. The soup is heating up on the stove. Let's heat up the pizza. Mix up. To confuse one thing with another. I mixed up the salt and sugar. He mixed up his homework papers. Stand out. To be easy to notice because you are different or special. His singing makes him stand out. The tall building stands out in the city. Cut off. To remove, stop, or separate something. The storm cut off the electricity. She cut off a piece of cake. Lead on. To guide someone or make them believe something. The guide led us on the forest trail. The lights led us on through the dark street.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!